Ever wondered what a hero looks like? Meet Sarah. This is Sarah. She's just an ordinary woman with an extraordinary heart. One day, while taking her morning jog, she spots something unusual by the roadside. A tiny kitten, scared and all alone. Without a second thought, she springs into action. Carefully scooping up the trembling fur ball, she wraps it in her jacket and rushes home. Sarah didn't just rescue a kitten that day, she found a new friend. Over the next few weeks, she nursed the little one back to health. And guess what? Now this kitten named Hope is thriving. Hope went from a lonely roadside to a loving home. It's stories like these that remind us, heroes are all around us. Sometimes they're just taking their morning jog. So the next time you see someone in need, remember Sarah and Hope. One small act of kindness can change a life forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.